Relax. All right, go again.
Okay, hi, my name is Veronica Latorraca and my last name is spelled A-L-A-T-O-R-R-A-C-A, Latorraca.
All right, and tell us regarding you come into the Jamaican backyard and manage to defeat them on the second leg 1-0. Tell us the instruction from the coach going into this very important second leg game.
Well, the instructions come all the way back from our country in Panama. We've been training so hard for the last few months and we traveled all the way here and we have trained all day, every day, all the time. And it really is all a result from hard work and teamwork. We are a family, and really this feeling is incredible. I'm speechless. This is so amazing and it's all due to hard work, teamwork, and all because of this family.
And 1-1 going into the second game, what did the coach tell the team in the locker room before you hit the field?
Well, we have to be focused. He reminded us of everything we have come through, and really we just have to leave it all in the game and give it our 100% and even more. It was everything. We had to leave it all or go home.
How long have you guys been in training and how many games did you play coming into this?
We became subcampeonas in Concacaf and we've been training all through long. It's been like 7 months and it's every day of the week and it's very tiring, but it's all worth it for this moment, this feeling. Yeah.
So did you guys expect to beat the Jamaica team? What were your confidence like?
Well, I don't know how to say it in English, but uno no se puede confiar. We had to leave it all and give it all our best and try, and well, the result ended up being great and we won.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Good.